Hi everyone, my name is Asadami. I'm a full-time software engineer and a part-time YouTuber. कभी कभी मैं videos डालती हूँ और starting में intro में हमेशा you have to tell what kind of videos you upload, but I'm sort of all over the place. They're mostly vlogs and मैंने लोगों से पूछा हुआ है. So people like to say that they like the vibe of my videos. So if that interests you, please have a look around. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and that would mean a lot to me. Thank you. So I was feeling super productive and I was, pushing out vlogs के बाद vlogs, and all of a sudden अभी मुझे vlog बनाने का या edit करने का कुछ मन नहीं कर रहा हो. जब vlogs नहीं बन रहे होते और कोई video दिमाग में नहीं आता है तो I think this is the kind of video you get. So this is going to be a Q&A video, and I had asked you guys to send me questions, and I got quite a few of them. I'm going to answer the ones that I can, and to nahi ho paye because I don't want this video to be like super long. So yeah, but I will try my best. First question: how are you? Is all okay? It's good that this is starting with this question. That थोड़ी देर पहले I had put up a post that I'm feeling sad. It's like, and I am going to be leaving my job and I am going to study. I'm 28 and I am going to do something I've never done, but something that has always intrigued me. But it's quite a risk. I'm taking a very huge loan. I don't know. I don't even feel like telling you guys how much because then you just like the no bonege. You stupid. Like I don't want कि मुझे सामने से ये सुनने को मिले because my brain keeps on telling me how stupid I am for doing this. I felt like I've always lived my life very safe and I should take the risk and do what I want to do. But there is something like calculated risk. But mutual funds या stock में डालते हो थोड़ा और पढ़ के डालोगे. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने बस like plunge ले लिया. I haven't read much about it. सब लोग कह रहे हैं job market बहुत बेकार है, but मैं बस इस चीज़ में चल रही हूँ कि ये तो मैंने हमेशा से सुना हुआ है. इवन जब मैंने YouTube स्टार्ट किया था सबने वो तो सैचुरेट हो गया है. मेरे को इतने लोग पता है जिन्होंने मेरे इतने बाद भी किया, and now they do so well on YouTube. मैंने एक काफ़ी बड़ा अमाउंट पे कर दिया था फीस का, एंड कुछ दिन पहले I found out कि there is a good $2,000 pending to pay. First day it was just showing me $1,000 and I think 2 दिन बाद मैंने जब login किया it became 2,000 CAD and I thought like what is happening, why इतना ज़्यादा कोर्स का पैसा मैं कहाँ से लाने वाली हूँ. Just like दिमाग में खिचड़ी बन चुकी है. Work, I have to look after this also कि क्या अप्लाई करना है, एक्स्ट्रा क्या मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी में अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं. I have to also apply for jobs before I go there. Like मतलब बिफोर क्या भी सप्लाई करना है, मिल गया तो अच्छी बात है, बट एवरीवन सेइंग कि जॉब कंडीशंस बहुत ख़राब है. एंड आई न्यू अबाउट इट, आई हर्ड अबाउट इट, बट इट्स जस्ट कि मैंने ऐसी चीज़ें ना ज़िंदगी भर सुनी है और हमेशा दे टर्न आउट फाइन. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि फालतू में डर रही थी, बट पता नहीं, दैट डजंट हेल्प मी विद दिस. मुझे अभी फिर भी लग रहा है कि कुछ तो लाइक ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा सेम चीज़ हो रहा है. मे बी थिंग्स माइट टर्न आउट वियर्ड दिस टाइम. Dawn. Kind of okay, not my best. I've been better, but ठीक है, थोड़े बहुत ups and downs तो सबके लिए आते हैं. Like, dislike, and tolerate about Mohawk. So what I like is how kind he is. That मैंने Mohawk को बोला हुआ है. Do you realize how kind you are? Because a lot of people are kind. A lot of people would be sad when something is done wrong. मतलब कुछ गलत हो रहा है या कुछ बुरा हो रहा है तो आपको बुरा लगता है. Obviously you try to be kind, मतलब but Mohawk would actually do something about it. Like he's the kind of person, अगर उसे कोई दिख गया गाड़ी चलाते चलाते someone and he wants to help him out, he would park his गाड़ी and go out and help that person. Like he will not hesitate. एक बार ये जोमेटो से इसने खाना मंगाया था. I think it was December, it was late night, 3 बज रहे थे 4 बजे था, I don't know. And बेल बजी and इसके घर में थे हम लोग. So he just came, नीचे आया, उसने बेल खोला and अचानक से ऊपर बहुत तेज से भाग के आया. And he's just like searching his cupboard for things. I was like, Mom, क्या हो गया? तू तो जोमेटो से खाना लेने गया था. He's like, I need socks. मैंने कहा socks? Why? It's like that Zomato guy, it's 3:30 and December हो रहा है and he didn't have socks on and he is riding a bike, I know, and उसको बहुत ठंड लग रही होगी. I think I have his socks I have a pair of socks that I can give him. And he was so focused on getting that socks. एक बार हमारे सामने एक car accident हुआ था and everyone made a circle around the person. It was so sad. Mohak का first instant reaction was to get out of the car and बाइक में था बंदा, उसको साइड में लिया and CPR दिया because he was not responding. He called his family. जब उसकी आंखें खुली, he gave the phone to him, told him कि मैंने आपके family को call किया है जो आपके phone पे थे, हम जा रहे हैं. So he left also after that. He didn't stay till the end, but he did whatever should have been done. And I was in the car. मैं डर के कार में बैठी थी जब तक मोहक इतना सब कुछ करके आ गया था. So I dislike. He would be so fine with things that it's annoying. I mean, I'm not sure I'm making sense, but कुछ भी, like, take our relationship for an example. I've given him a long list of things to work on. I mean, everyone has this list. सबको होता है things to work on. मैं मोहक को लंबी लिस्ट दी है चीज़ें जो उसको take care करनी है, to work on. But मोहक has no complaints. I mean, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. I am a very difficult person to be when I know this. But that is a part of his personality, that he is sort of okay with everything, and that's a good thing. But in a lot of things, like, it irritates me. How can this guy be just so calm in, all situations? And what do I tolerate about Mohak? Oh my god, I hate the fact that he likes to chill so much. I'm the kind of person who can't sit. ऐसे I don't let myself, sit idle. मुझे लगता है वेस्ट कर दिया टाइम. मैं जब इंस्टा स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ, I would tell myself I'm trying to, find inspiration, or I'm trying to find the right song, or find a trend. मैं प्रोडक्टिव कर रही हूँ तभी मैं स्क्रॉल करती हूँ, मैं आपको स्क्रॉल करने देती हूँ. When I met Mohak, he seemed like a serious guy, and he used to come from Delhi to Gurgaon to meet me, and then had so many things to do. I always thought of Mohak as being this busy and, really hardworking guy, basically. But now that I know Mohak, I have realized कि वो इतना hardworking है नहीं. He would just really like to just lay in bed and scroll on game खेलना अपने phone में. I hate that he plays that minimalist. I don't know what he plays on his phone, but I hate it. And every time he does it, it's a dant khayega, but he would do it. And yeah, I sort of tolerate that. I mean, because that's not a wrong thing, right? Like, he has time and he just wants to, chill, live his life like that. I'm not that sort of person that he is. So I have to sort of tolerate it. Janki, can you please tell me about software engineers and the scope of this career and long? मैं तो सिर्फ सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी के हिसाब से बोल सकती हूँ. It's something that is not for everyone, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं टास्क repetitive होने लग जाते हैं when you're in the same project or doing the same kind of work. It just gets, ठीक है, sure you will get new problems to solve, but अगर आप एक सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी हो तो इतना कुछ न्यू भी नहीं मिलेगा. आई हैवंट वर्कड इन अ प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी एंड आई हैवंट मैं से कुछ भागी नहीं हूँ टू गेट न्यू वर्क एंड वो, बिकॉज मेरे को इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है कोडिंग में. एंड आई बिकम सो कम्फर्टेबल, मैं काफ़ी बारी फ़ोन में करते हुए एडिट करते हुए, एंड आई हैंडल माई वर्क रियली वेल. समटाइम्स आई जस्ट सरप्राइज माई सेल्फ कि मैं इतनी कम्फर्टेबल हो गई हूँ, बट द फैक्ट इज इट हैज़ गॉटन रियली बोरिंग फॉर मी. एंड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि कभी भी कुछ कमी होने वाली है. अभी कुछ ना कुछ नया आ रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ है टू लर्न, टू अपस्किल. AI जो एकदम क्रेजी कर रहा है, आई डोंट थिंक दैट AI विल रिप्लेस सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स. इवन दो यू हैव टूल्स लाइक Githaven एंड GitHub Copilot, ये सारे हैं आपको लिखने के लिए, बट आई थिंक आई हैव यूज्ड Copilot, और मैं AI का यूज़ कर रही हूँ टू राइट द डे टू डे टास्क जो मेरे को मिल रहा है. उस माइंड बीइंग अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स एप्लीकेशन, whatever code the software writes, I can't just copy paste it and run it. build हमेशा फटता है और हमेशा जाके मुझे बहुत दिमाग लगा के उसको सॉल्व करना पड़ता है. शायद कुछ केसेस में मेरे peers को काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प किया होगा, बट मैंने हर बारी जब भी यूज़ किया है कुछ ना कुछ इशू आया ही है. तो अभी तो इतना मैच्योर नहीं हुआ है कि वो हमें रिप्लेस कर पाए. हम है वील ऑलवेज बी देयर टू चेक द कोड बिफोर यू बिल्ड इट, डिप्लॉय इट. आगे कहीं भी डालना आपको ज़रूरत है. तो आई हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स टू डू. यू कैन बी अ डेवलपर, यू कैन बी फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर, यू कैन बी फुल स्टैक, गो फुल स्टैक. देन इफ यू वांट यू कैन गो टू क्लाउड में कुछ कर सकते हो, या यू कुड बी डेवऑप्स में कुछ कर लो, या क्यों बन सकते हो आप, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. what time do you spend in a day on coding? So I log in at 11 and आजकल मैं थोड़ा late log out कर रही हूँ. That's because मैं थोड़ा आराम से काम कर रही हूँ आजकल. If I be realistic, last काफ़ी sprints से मुझे कुछ इतना कोड का मिला नहीं है, बट अभी जैसे लेटली कल परसों ही मुझे एक स्टोरी असाइन हुआ था जिसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा लाइक आई यूज्ड Copilot and yeah, I think I would say like इस हफ्ते 12 hours. I know कि that's like 2 work days in a week, but 3 days जो थे वो बेकार के tasks मुझे assign हुए थे. So yeah, it changes. आपको किस टाइप का काम मिल रहा है. अभी तो काफ़ी कम मिल रहा है. हमारे next काफ़ी sprints is mostly QA and spikes. So coding तो काफ़ी कम है. मैं और मेरा जो teammate है वो आज ही डिस्कस कर रहे थे how boring future few sprints look like. So yeah, when am I getting married? So guys, save the date. I'm getting married on 26th December. That's the Hindu wedding, and 27th December को Christian wedding है. So yeah, I'm getting married in December. Yeah. When did you realize he's the one? I'll be very honest. Before I answer this, हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हुआ है, and I'm not gonna talk to him because मुझे लग रहा है उसकी गलती है, and he's not talking to me because I don't know. I think he thinks it's my fault. I was like, आज ही मैं सोच रही थी, आस्था, you're just thinking because my mind was only replaying the worst parts, the झगड़ा of our relationship and how he has acted few times which I did not like. But I don't know, the thousands, the millions of times that he has been the best thing in my life, my mind is not playing those scenarios. तो जब भी आपका झगड़ा होता है, ओवर आपकी बैड थिंग्स गुड थिंग्स को ओवर शैडो कर रही होती है, the feeling that you get कि नहीं यार, this guy had made me feel, I don't know, really safe. And that's how I know that he's the one. Second thing is, he would always try to work on the things. मतलब he fails miserably a lot of times. And I know काफ़ी ऐसे reels आते हैं मुझे कि how the guy would keep saying that I would work on it, then commit the same mistake. बहुत के साथ ऐसा नहीं है. He would do it एक दो बार and then he would stop. Like he would work on it. जो मैंने पहले भी mention किया है कि हम लोग पहले January में मिले थे, then we lost touch. I say that he ghosted him and इसका बहुत बड़ा issue बना था Reddit पे, पता नहीं कितनी बकवास हुई थी. I was saying it. So it was like, उस time पे we lost touch because we both were not in that commitment वाला. We were not looking for commitment at that time. And we both had our own, I don't know, weird situationships to handle. And उस time पे nothing, we were more friends. So the only reason I say that is because he was going to help me with badminton. And he did not reply to that text. Like he did reply कि Huddle download कर ले, but he didn't, help me to play badminton. But then he keeps saying कि, because if you look now, मोहक ने मुझे बैडमिंटन खेलना सिखाया, and he's the reason उसके साथ मैंने बैडमिंटन खेला है. उसका जो मेरा बैडमिंटन का क्रेज़ है, started with him, so he made up for it. So हम लोग ने Feb के बाद जो we lost touch in December में, when he finally came, it was like he never left my side, and he's been very supportive and he makes me laugh. These things were enough for me, and for some other people it might not be, कुछ और चीज़ होगी, but जो भी है, जब आपको फील होता है and then you take the plunge and उसके बाद झगड़े होंगे, but जब भी झगड़े होंगे, if at that time you are able to remember and remind yourself of all those good things that had happened and why you're in that relationship, and your heart feels that warm वाली feeling है कि no, yeah, I mean, even though we're fighting, I know I am with this guy or with this girl. Yeah, I think झगड़ा करो. So when you do झगड़ा and it's a big झगड़ा, and like how you feel when you go through it, I think that will tell you. But that's just me. I'm not a relationship guru. Okay, so when are you going to Canada? For what degree? What's going to be your living? So I think काफी लोगों ने question पूछा. I'm going to Canada. I'm going for masters, and I am going to switch my field. And drum rolls, I'm switching to UX. And सब लोग अब बोलेंगे how UX में कोई वो नहीं है, future नहीं है या कुछ. But I really wanted to try it, guys. And the only thing I feel, मुझे उसका चीज़ का नहीं है कि मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ. मुझे बस ये लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत महंगी यूनिवर्सिटी से कर रही हूँ. And some people ask me that. So it's University of Toronto, St. George campus. So I got to know कि ये best university है, but I never got to know that this is the most expensive university there. So me, Mohak and Mohak's sister, we are going to find something, some some place to live. Like abhi we haven't figured it out. She is trying to look for 1 or 2 BHKs, but abhi kuch find nahi hua hai. Since I'm newly shifted in Gurgaon, could you please help me with with of the city? मुझे तो वो क्या कहते हैं 32nd milestone बहुत पसंद था. Although वहाँ पे कुछ खाना थोड़ा ओवर प्राइस्ड है. एंड वहाँ पे पास में अरावली हिल्स वाली जो वहाँ पे जो ड्राइव है, मैंने वो बहुत किया है. जो बोलेंगे ओबियसली कि वो थोड़ा सा लाइक नॉट सेफ है, बट आई डोंट नो, इट जस्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंपनी ऑल्सो. लाइक आई हैव बिन देयर कपल ऑफ टाइम्स एंड आई हैव बिन ओके, बट प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सेफ. एंड और भी होंगी. मैं अभी गुड़गांव स्पेसिफिकली मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, बट एडिट करते वक्त अगर आएगा आई वुड जस्ट फ्लैश देम हियर. So yeah, hope you have fun. What are you most excited for getting married after getting married? अभी तो मेरे दिमाग में ये सब चल ही नहीं रहा. मेरे को यूनिवर्सिटी की इतनी ज़्यादा टेंशन है और लोन की इतनी टेंशन है. Then I have stopped thinking about like marriage. मैंने ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ा तो मुझे थोड़ा तो हो रहा है फील कि oh my god, getting married. एक टाइम तो मुझे लग रहा था कि this was never gonna happen, but it's happening. I don't think anything will change. Mohawk and I, we were in live-in for a year. He hadn't moved in, but he used to pretty much live in my place. So ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मैं कुछ नया डिस्कवर करने वाली हूँ. Actually, हमने शादी का भी जो डिसीजन लिया था, we were like we know each other so much. I think हम ऑलरेडी वो मैरिड लाइफ वाला कपल तो कर ही रहे थे. हम मोहक के घर में जो भी इवेंट्स हो रहे थे वो ऐसे मिलते थे, जाते थे. I think everything is gonna be the same. I'm just, I don't know, for a Mrs. Lagna in front of the name would be a little weird. But yeah, I will update अगर कुछ change हुआ तो. How do you manage insecurity? So, insecurity सबको होती है and सबका manage करने का तरीका अलग होता है. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है the best thing is to acknowledge it. Most people do not acknowledge it. They run away from it. You're insecure, but you feel कि show करो मैं insecure नहीं हूँ. तो मेरी सबसे बड़ी insecurity वो मैं legs. मुझे हमेशा से लगता था they were too, like my thighs were too thick. I remember twice when I was actually depressed thinking कि I had these stretch marks मेरे calves में and my thighs were really, I felt कि थोड़ी मोटी हुई है तो oh no, मैं कभी भी shorts नहीं पहन पाऊँगी, skirts नहीं पहन पाऊँगी. And I used to run away from it. As I grew up, I thought कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Let me wear. I'm not insecure about them. Like I would wear what I want to wear. So I used to zabardasti push myself. I got all these shorts and skirts and you know whatnot. I tried to wear it. But the thing is, I'm insecure about many of them all. And yes, there's nothing to be insecure about. I should be proud of who I am and I should wear it outside. But the thing is, still I do not feel comfortable when I wear shorts and skirts. So I mean, ऐसा नहीं है मैं कभी नहीं पहनती. Of course मैं पहनती जो मेरा मन करता है. I'm like, हाँ मैं जाए, let me wear it. But I felt like I do not reach out for them. तो अब मैं अपने आप को ज़बरदस्ती push नहीं करती. You know, I have realized ये मेरी एक insecurity है. And day by day, मैं better हो रही हूँ. Like I do not think less about it. But then at the same time, I am more comfortable, you know, wearing something full then. Acknowledge it, sit with it, think about it, what do you want to do with it, and whatever it brings you peace, उसके साथ चलो, ठीक है? I think this video is already really long, so I will end this video here, and I hope you enjoyed this video.